How to fix Alt plus Tab combination not working on Windows 10. Now, whether it is Windows 10 or Windows 11, Alt Tab is actually a really great tool to be able to switch between the tabs that you're currently working on, just like this, right? So this way, what happens is that you will very easily be able to switch between tabs productively without having to use your mouse pointer or anything. But let's say this command is not working. Well, it's very simple. This is always supposed to work. So if it's not working, we just have to do one thing. From the bottom of the task bar, you want to right click on it and then select the option that says Task Manager. From Task Manager, you want to simply go ahead and then look for Windows Explorer. So just make sure to open this Windows Explorer here. And now you want to search for Windows Explorer as you can see. Then all you have to do from here is you want to simply make sure to just right click on this Windows Explorer and then just hit the restart button. Once you restart this should be able to help you solve the problem. Otherwise, you can also restart your own computer to see if that's the case. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.